Hi, I'm Clarice. Welcome to the Flooring Corner here at Georgia Carpet. In today's video, we're going over general information regarding carpet. However, we do recommend working with a professional carpet installer. The first thing you want to do is measure your room or rooms, and you do this by measuring the length times the width to give you the area. Divide by 9 to get the square yards. Make sure to measure your room from the middle of the door to the far wall. If you have more than one room, add the area of all the rooms together to get the total square footage. Most carpets come in 12 wide, so if your rooms are larger than 12 feet in both length and width, then the room will require a seam. Another aspect to think about is if the carpet from one room touches another room, the carpet needs to be installed in the same direction. If not, the carpet will look different. Now let's go over some important key points when it comes to carpet. Hire a professional carpet installer. Carpet needs to be stretched properly while installing so it doesn't move or buckle. Pay attention to seams and make sure to follow the same direction. With patterned carpet, it's important to match the patterns and also hide the seams. However, a good carpet installer should be able to do this. Residential carpet needs padding. A few common types are rebond, foam, prime foam, froth foam, and memory foam. The type of padding you choose will depend on where you install your carpet. For instance, in high traffic areas, froth foam would be a good choice because it's durable and has high density. Look at features of the yarn. Two of the most common types of carpet fibers are nylon and polyester. Nylon typically lasts longer than polyester, but polyester is easier to maintain. Now, other natural fibers like wool carpets are harder to clean and are typically more expensive. Some branded yarns like Smart Strand and Anzo Nylon are specially treated to withstand wear and tear. In any case, you should choose the one that best suits your lifestyle. To view our carpet selections, visit us online at georgiacarpet.com or give us a call at 800-535-8789. Also, follow us on social media at Georgia Carpet on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.